Welcome to another EleShop video. When soldering, the flux and solder alloy release smoke that contains both particles and gases. Proper fume extraction helps prevent health risks. In this video, we'll compare the three main types of solder fume extractors available. Each extractor is designed for a different type of user and workspace. We'll look at a fan with a carbon filter, a floor standing extractor, and a compact desktop extractor. For each type, we'll discuss how it works, what it filters, and what kind of user it's intended for. Let's begin with the most basic and budget-friendly type of fume extractor, the fan with an activated carbon filter. The Quick 493E is a simple, compact fume extractor designed for occasional soldering. It uses a flat carbon filter to absorb larger particles and reduces odors. While it doesn't filter out the finest particles or gases, it blows the smoke away from your face and reduces the odor a lot. The Quick 493E is a great entry-level solution. It is small and affordable. Keep in mind that this extractor is less effective for heavy or continuous use where fine, harmful particles and gases are present. The second category consists of larger extractors placed under or next to the workbench, equipped with one or more long, flexible tubes. These systems are designed for extended daily use and offer significantly more filtration capacity. The FE1B ESD is a larger, more powerful fume extractor designed for daily use in shared workspaces or production environments. Unlike simple fan units, these systems use multiple filter stages to provide superior filtration. It uses a pre-filter for large particles, a HEPA filter to capture ultrafine dust, and an activated carbon layer to absorb gases and odors. This combination removes up to 99.97% of harmful substances from soldering fumes. The FE1B ESD is ideal for environments where soldering is done frequently. Additionally, it's ESD safe, making it suitable for sensitive electronic works. These floor standing extractors are the most powerful and can be used in professional environments. Finally, there are compact desktop extractors with a short, flexible tube. These units are placed directly on the desk and also draw fumes through a tube with a nozzle. This model includes a dual filter system, a cotton pre-filter followed by a combined HEPA and activated carbon filter. Because the unit is smaller than a floor standing model, the fan is also smaller, so it's louder for the same amount of airflow. On top of this, the fan is also located closer to the user, so noise is a bigger issue with these extractors than with a floor standing unit. Another issue is that the filtering volume is smaller, so the filters are more quickly saturated than with a floor standing unit. So with heavy use, the filter needs to be replaced often. This extractor is a middle ground solution, more effective than the fan only models, yet still affordable and space efficient. So, in conclusion, the best fume extractor for you depends on several factors: how much you solder, noise, comfort, and very importantly, the available space at or around your workstation. If you solder once a month in a well-ventilated room, a fan with a carbon filter might be enough. If you solder daily, especially in professional environments, a floor standing system with a HEPA filtration is strongly recommended. A desktop unit can be a more budget-friendly option and takes less space in your work area. but it is more noisy and the filters need to be replaced more often than with a floor standing system. Let us know in the comments how do you use your fume extractor for your tasks. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out our knowledge base to learn more about fume extractors. Thanks for watching.